Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to install Ubuntu 20.10 latest version on our Raspberry Pi 4, but we are going to use here a USB boot service of our Raspberry Pi 4. Before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you. So let's start. As I told you, we are going to install Ubuntu 20.10 on our Raspberry Pi 4 using USB boot. Okay, for that simply we are going to first download the Ubuntu image, okay, which I am downloading. As you can see, Ubuntu 20.10 desktop image is currently downloading. Okay, so simply visit their website. I will mention the link. Scroll down. Okay, just scroll down. These two images are basically the server and desktop images. Okay, Ubuntu server images and Ubuntu server 20.10, then Ubuntu desktop 20.10. as I told you, there are two images. 20.4 is server, 20.10 for server, and Ubuntu desktop 20.10, which is a desktop image, which we are going to basically install with our complete desktop setup. We need LCD, we need keyboard and mouse. Okay, so we are going to install Ubuntu desktop. So simply click on download 64-bit, and as you can see here, my image is now currently downloading. Okay, so you can go with basically a Raspberry Pi Imager also. So if I open here Imager, so friends, I have downloaded the Raspberry Pi Imager also. I will mention the link also for Raspberry Pi Imager. It's really easy. You have to download the setup.exe file and just install Raspberry Pi Imager inside the Windows 10. Okay, so if you want to install with Raspberry Pi Imager, simply choose OS. Okay, then other general purpose OS, and here as you can see the Ubuntu is there. Okay, and Ubuntu desktop 20.10 image is also there. From here also you can just install, or you can just flash your USB pen drive or your just SD card. Simply select the image and choose the SD card. Here it is, what the SD card, simply select it and just click on write. It will flash the image inside your SD card or inside your USB pen drive. Okay, so our image is now downloading, friends. So friends, we have successfully downloaded our Ubuntu 20.10 pre-installed desktop image. As you can see, we have now our image. Now we are going to flash the image inside our USB pen drive. For that, you can go with Balena Etcher. Okay, just visit their website and download the setup file. Download the setup file for Windows. Okay, and just install it, Balena Etcher, and then flash the image with Balena Etcher. But here I am going to use a Raspberry Pi Imager. Okay, so friends, this is what our Raspberry Pi Imager. Simply choose OS. Okay, then scroll down. As I told you, you can go with other general purpose OS, then Ubuntu, and you can go with from here also. But as I told you, I have already downloaded the image from their website, so I am going to go back and I am going to use here use custom. Okay, then I'm going to select the image. Okay, so Ubuntu 20.10 pre-install 64 Raspberry Pi image. Okay, so simply select it. As you can see, this is what our image pre-installed desktop. Click on open, choose, and this is what my pen drive, 31.5 GB. Simply select it, then click on write, click on yes, and now our image is flashing inside our pen drive. Okay, so friends, as you can see, we have successfully flashed our image inside our USB pen drive. Okay, then simply click on continue. Now we have downloaded our image, we have flashed our image inside our USB pen drive. Now we want to make our Raspberry Pi 4 enable to USB boot. Okay, so simply I am going to access my Raspberry Pi 4, my Raspbian OS, using remote desktop on our Windows 10 machine. Okay, so I am going to simply open the terminal. Okay, then first we need to run the command sudo raspi -config. Okay, sudo raspi -config. This is what our command. I am going to make a zoom in here. Okay friends, so this is what our command, sudo space raspi -config, then just hit enter. Then go to the down, and first we need to update. Click on update. It will update the repo from internet. Okay, so it's updating, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, Raspberry config is already the newest version. So now come to the advanced options. As you can see, the 6th number option, advanced options, simply enter. Then bootloader version, A7 bootloader version, just hit enter. Then here we have to select E1 latest, use the latest version boot ROM software. Okay, so simply select it, E1, then press the tab button, come to the OK and just hit enter. Okay, then reset boot ROM to defaults, click on just yes and just hit enter. Boot ROM reset to defaults, just hit enter. Okay, now again we want to go the advanced options. Simply come to the advanced option, hit enter. Now we are inside the advanced options. Then again, now A6, the boot order option. Now we are going to go inside the A6 boot order option. So simply come to the boot order, hit enter, and here the second one is network boot and first one is of course our USB boot. So simply you select the USB boot, then press tab button and come to OK, hit enter. USB device is default boot device, of course. Now hit enter and just again press tab button and come to the select. Again just right arrow key and just finish, click on finish and hit enter. Would you like to reboot now? Yes. Now friends, our machine will be reboot, and then we are going to I am going to just remove the SD card and we are going to plug in our Ubuntu pen drive in our Raspberry Pi 4. Then we are going to set up our Ubuntu on our Raspberry Pi 4 using USB boot. Okay, so simply now we are going to reboot our Raspberry Pi 4. So friends, this is what our Raspberry Pi, and now I am going to remove our card. Okay, then I am going to plug in. This is what my 32 GB pen drive, and we have flash with Ubuntu desktop. Okay, so I am going to connect this pen drive to our Raspberry Pi 4. Then we are going to power on our Raspberry Pi 4. Then we are going to set up our Ubuntu. Okay, so now I am going to power on Raspberry Pi 4. Then we are going to set up our Ubuntu on our Raspberry Pi 4. So friends, as you can see, we are ready, and this is what our first screen, the Ubuntu. Okay, so it's booting. System configuration, simply we are going to select English, then click on continue. Then keyboard layout, of course English US and English US, then again click on continue. So then now we have to choose our wireless. Okay, so connect to this network, then select your router SSID. I am going to select my router SSID. My router SSID is Raspberry. Then click on connect. Of course we need to enter here our password. Okay, so I am going to enter my password. As you can see, I have entered my password. Click on connect, then continue. Okay, here friends, we need to select our country. Okay, so I am going to select my location, Kolkata. Click on continue. So friends, now here we have to enter your name, your computer name, and the username and password. Okay, so simply I am going to enter the name, Freedom Tech. Just a minute. Okay, so as you can see, the Freedom Tech desktop, and username is also Freedom Tech. Then we have to enter the password. Then again here we are going to confirm the password. Okay, then click on continue. So friends, as you can see, we are ready and it's installing Ubuntu on our Raspberry Pi 4. As you can see, welcome to Ubuntu system configuration. So we are all done with our setup. Now it's configuring. Okay, so it takes some time. Our setup, as soon as completed, I am going to again start our recording. Okay. So friends, as you can see, we are all done with our system configuration setup. Now it's rebooting our system. Our Ubuntu system is now rebooting, as you can see. So friends, this is what our first login screen, freedom.tech is user, and here I am going to enter the password. So friends, from here now we have to just connect your online accounts. I am going to click on skip. Okay, then help to improve Ubuntu, yes, send system info. So click on again next. Done. And that's it friends. As you can see, we have now on our Ubuntu Raspberry Pi 4 desktop. Okay, as you can see, so this is the way you can install Ubuntu on Raspberry Pi 4 using USB pen drive. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.